Republican lawmakers in Albany are pushing to roll back the state's electric school bus mandate. Today, WENY's New York Capitol correspondent Elise Klein joins us live to fill us in on this issue. Elise, what are you hearing?
Renata, good evening. Lawmakers seem to be split on this issue here. Some Republican lawmakers have introduced legislation to try and delay and potentially repeal this mandate. They express concerns about the cost, reliability, and safety, while some Democratic lawmakers say this is an important step to improve the environment and public health. Pump the brakes is the message from Republican lawmakers in Albany this week surrounding Governor Kathy Hochul's electric school bus mandate. The state mandate enacted in 2022 requires local school districts to purchase new buses to be all electric by 2027 and all school buses in operation statewide to be all electric by 2035. Some Republican lawmakers have introduced legislation to delay the mandate until at least 2045 and require an additional cost, benefit, and safety analysis.
This is really the mother of all unfunded mandates that's going to be placed on our school districts, billions upon billions of dollars. And we're not just talking about the purchase of electric school buses, which we know are about $400,000 to $450,000, but we're talking about significant electric upgrades.
The state's Environmental Bond Act, approved by voters in 2022, includes $500 million to help schools transition their buses to zero emissions in addition to federal assistance. Some Democratic lawmakers say they are taking steps to help schools navigate the transition and that there is enough support for schools to begin the process.
We are talking with our school districts and we are working with them in terms of resources and the availability of resources.
We understand this is a big lift, but there is currently plenty of money out there for folks to get started.
Some local school districts say they won't have enough in state dollars or federal assistance programs to follow this mandate, putting the financial stress on them.
There are all these programs, but they don't fully cover the cost. And all the speaking points is we will do this and it will be covered by the state. $500 million. That's nowhere near the amount of money that they would have to contribute just for the buses.
The legislation to delay this mandate is currently in Senate and Assembly committees. We'll be following this issue as it develops. Reporting live, Elise Klein, WENY News. Renata, back to you.
Elise, thank you.